Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you are facing an annoying issue in Escape from Backrooms game that your mic not working, then here is the fix. So first you have to open the game on your system or PC. Then when you have logged into your game or when you are in the game, then you simply have to click on this Windows button. Otherwise you can simply make it to the um, Windows frame and not full screen. You can exit from the full screen and you can find the Windows button here, or otherwise you can simply click on your Windows key on your keyboard. Then you can simply search for sound and sound mixer option. Here it is. So you simply click on it, where you can find the system, then go to sounds and go to volume mixture. So where you are on volume mixture, after just adding on or after just staying on that game, so then I again repeat that you have to log into your game, and with that game logged in you have to go to the settings. So don't close your game or don't exit from the game. So you can find the apps where you can find the Escape from Backrooms option here, where you can simply turn off everything from here, turn everything's volume from here, here like this every volume from here except the Escape from Backrooms. So after that you can simply expand it from here. Simply, for example, this is the Escape from Backrooms. So where you can find the input device, where you can set the input device, for example your current mic that you are using. So this is the current mic that actually I'm using right now. So you can set it here. You can simply click on input device, that is your mic. So if you are using any headset or any other microphone, then you can go with that. Remember the name of the microphone, and also you can find the input device where you can simply select that mic that you're currently using. So you can simply click on that mic here, then you can set it for the game. For example, this is a backroom, you have to expand it, and here is, so you can set the output device, that could be your headset, and here is input device where you can set the mic. So then you can try if it's working. Also you can just check in the settings if your sounds or volume sound settings is perfect and correctly, and you don't have muted your mic accidentally. So that's pretty much all thing about this fix. And otherwise, if your mic is not working, make sure that you have plugged your mic with your PC perfectly. You can unplug it, then replug it again with your PC, and check your mic in another software and where the mic recorded, and check if the mic is working properly. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.